Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at the CountLab compact cash drawer. So this is a manual cash drawer that you can use if you're taking cash payments but you don't have a register or don't need a cash register. So the insert that comes with a compact cash drawer has 4 note holders, so 50, 20, 10, 5, sturdy note clips. You've got 4 coin pots here, and then a larger coin tray here which is removable, so maybe you can use this for counting out the change or put it in larger denominations like £2 and £1 coins. Pop that to one side. The operation of the drawer is simple. Simply pop your key in. It's supplied with 2 keys, and you just pop the key in, turn it like that, and then the insert opens, or the drawer opens, to allow you to put the money in and dispense the change. Close it again, and then it will not open again until you turn that key to the left. It comes with a cable on, so obviously to connect it to the register, but you can snip that off or just tape it away out the way if you're fitting it to the underside of the counter maybe. So you can order brackets with this manual cash drawer on the Shop Stuff website. Dimensions, so it's compact cash drawer, so it's 335mm wide, so that's from left to right as you look at it, 335, 372 deep from front to back, millimeters again, and then just under a fraction under 100mm in height. So for the price, it's a bargain manual cash drawer. It's easy to, you can order extra inserts as well as brackets, so you can, the whole insert tray lifts out, and pop that to one side. And pop a replacement in. Just have to get it at a slight angle. That's the bag that has the keys with it. It's actually easier to put the tray in when you've got money in it, so it's got a bit of weight to it. But yeah, that's how you put the drawer, the new insert in. So I'll put a link up at the end of this video to the, they do a larger drawer, so there's the compact drawer, which is this one, then they do a standard size drawer, which I'll put a link up to. It's probably appearing on screen now. And then CountLab also do a range of basic cash registers which Shop Stuff supply, so there'll be links appearing on screen now to the basic cash registers available, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.